लिडराचो ऑपोजिशन ह्या लोकांनी चड आणि चड कन्वर्जन आपल्या टायमान केल्ले आसा 9.5 कोटी रुपये आणि हेंका अधिकारा टाउन प्लॅनिंगाचेर विचारपाक हांगा दिव तुका स्टेटमेंट की काँग्रेस पार्टी डिस्ट्रॉयड द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा बाय कन्वर्टिंग द लार्जेस्ट लँड. अरे बापरे मुख्यमंत्री असलो तेन्नाचे गोष्ट काय बापयचे मुख्यमंत्री तो सगळ्यांपेक्षा चड एफिशियंट मुख्यमंत्री तो आशिल्लो आणि ते आम्ही कोणी हावजान जर बसल्या त्या लेवलाचेर पावचे ना.
कोण आल्लो एफिशियंट एफिशियंट आल्लो आता काँग्रेस डिपेंड करता काँग्रेस काँग्रेसीक काही करता
काँग्रेसी अरे तुम्ही काँग्रेसी आशिल्लो तुम्ही बीजेपीचे सरकार आशिल्लो
ओरिजिनल काय बोलता सगळे डुप्लिकेट
अरे ते खुर्ची सोडून हांगा बरेच असले आमचे सगळ्यांचे.
सर पयलीं सद्या एक मिनिट जो बाब जो तो उलयता काँग्रेसीचेर पयले सुवातेर 10,000 थिंग आहाय जो काँग्रेसी केलो तेकाय एग्जांपल जो युआर पॉइंटिंग फिंगर दिगंबर कामत.
अरे दिगंबर कामतचे नाव घेऊ नका दिगंबर कामतचे नाव घेऊ नका
कोण गेले
एका बी तुवें लिडर मानूंक जाय तो आमचो तेन्ना लिडर आशिल्लो विसरलो अशें मागीर कशें तूं आयला कसो वयल्यान येवंक ना तुज्या फाटल्या इतिहास काडून पळय कितें आहा ते इलेक्शनान आयलो कसो हे इलेक्शनान येवपाचे पयलीं तो इतिहास काडपाक पळय इतिहास दवरलाय ना दाखोवपाक.
अरे इतिहासान उरना जे आज गोंय चल्ला ते
आम्ही
स्पेसिफिक कितें
म्हाका काय कळना तू कितें विचारूंक सोदता ते आणि ऑपोजिशन विचारता की बाबा काँग्रेस पार्टी आणि हेच वचून ते स्टेजीर बसता आणि गोंयांत राखूंक जाय म्हणून. अरे गोंयची वाट लायली शॉर्ट पॅन्टाचे वाट लायले हे काँग्रेस पार्टीन वाट आणि तू त्या काँग्रेस पार्टीचो लिडर 3 आमदार उरल्या बाकी आयले ह्या सायडीक तुझे काँग्रेस पार्टीचे फुडले फावट इलेक्शनात तू एकटो कलेक्ट बाकी सगळे वयता करा.
सर हेज मुखार
माझो फ्रेंड
एक मिनिट हेज मुखार स्पीकर सर
एल्टन येतलो त्या एल्टनाक आम्ही सांबाळटा तू एकटो सांबाळून घे की तू जे डिफेंड करता अरे एक नाव सांगता ते तू जे डिफेंड करता ते पार्टी 9 कोटी स्क्वेअर मीटर जाल्ले आणि तुम्ही टार्गेट करता डिपार्टमेंटाक जेन्ना तुम्ही गोयचे वाट लायला काँग्रेस पार्टी आणि काँग्रेस पार्टी तुला जस्टिसान सांगले तुम्ही कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल हेड ऑफ डिक्लेअर करता म्हणून आणि तुमचीच पूछ वाढली क्या वसा ते फर्स्ट वर वसा अरे आवाज इतले व्हडले करपाक आमकां बी कळटा 33 लोक बसले हांगा
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर
काय विजय बी काय ना तुझे आमचोच आमचोच तो माझो बरो मित्र तो आमचोच अरे विजय सरदेसाय आमचोच माझो फ्रेंड तो तुम्ही माझो फ्रेंड ऐक रे हे एलओपी अरे यू सिट डाउन you tell me you are diverting the issues you are talking about saving Goa. You have the right to save Goa. You don't have the right to save Goa because you have entered into politics on a state of corruption.
Save Goa.
Are my foot you save Goa. You cannot because Congress is destroyed. That's why your numbers were destroyed. And leader of opposition came on a state of corruption into the party. Are tu Vidhan Sabha आयला कसो?
विश्वजित कसो आयलो? बोलो नायलो लोकांनी धाडा.
आणि धाडलो बी करा.
Yuri Alemao, ask your question.
Yeah. So एक मिनिट बोल रे.
अरे माझ्या फ्रेंडाक बस म्हणून सांगू नका हांव बसना तू म्हाका सांगू शकना आय उठ
कितें उठू
नाका उकलून हाडटा हांगा.
Because sir, very specific. Today the question I was being very specific. Ki the fee structure today is outrageous. 16.5 lakhs for a single hearing, 7.5 lakhs for another hearing, crores of rupees for a state today that is struggling with finances. आज Western ऐसा निर्माण जाता जो AG आहा तो puppet. AG is not competent. Is he deliberately sidelined? 1 minute.
Please let him ask the question.
He is asking 3 questions. Are you allowing 3 supplementaries? Ask him to ask 1 question and answer it.
So this is only I am coming to the point. Speaker sir, आज jenna returned High Court petition on TCP under evaluation show how these particular people are forced to go to court, and the finance department was forced to get a circular and intervene. आज Speaker sir, why does the TCP department spend in crores of rupees on private lawyers, on advocate generals, when the office exists to defend the state. Does this not amount to sidelining the AG, or is the AG not capable? The honorable, see, you spoke a lot about Congress. काँग्रेसाचो मरे टॉलेस्ट लीडर प्रताप सिंग राणे अजून काँग्रेसीन आहा काँग्रेसीन अजून प्रताप सिंग राणे आसा
माझो बापायचे उलो नाका तुझो मंत्री
काँग्रेसीचो लीडर तू पण म्हाका सांगता काँग्रेसीचे उलयत त्यांनी काँग्रेसीच्या वेळार मुखेलमंत्रीन बुक रिलीज केला त्याचे जे काँग्रेसाचे कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आणि काँग्रेसान अजून आहा तू बडे
Honorable Leader of Opposition.
Are we here to discuss about the political parties? Are we
Correct.
here to discuss about
He has pointed
no, no,
fingers at
one
him.
second. Role of the other chief ministers and all? Then I am entitled to speak and defend.
Please speak.
I defend and I speak, then it will be very damaging for all of those who speak like this. I think if they are not interested in taking up this question, move to the next question.
Please ask
What
her,
is it?
finish your
Other
question.
hour
Speaker sir, see.
Speaker sir, first
Please sit down,
time
Ganji Vegas.
No, but what are we
He's
talking
asking
about?
the
First
question, let
time
him
केले
finish the
answer
question.
कुणाचो time चो कितली जालतो
I have asked.
and we are talking all over.
He has spoken about what the Congress has.
Please ask your question.
Speaker sir, first of all, फाल्याचो this opinion poll or this जरी जर काँग्रेसान दिवं ना जाल्यार आमी हिंगा आसपा न्हू हुंय आहले दाणगीन सरपंच पंच बी मुखेलमंत्री आसपा न्हू हे काँग्रेसान कितें केलें तें सांगची न्हू खास करून ते पड गेले ते पुजा म्हळें थोड्यांनी भितर पेंटा भितर गेले ते पासून काँग्रेस दिसता गेले अजून म्हणटा इतले जा केला
Ask your question.
आणि हे उलयता आज
Ask your question.
why is the TCP department spending crores on private lawyers when the advocate general already exists?
Is this a question? I would like to share with the honorable member that there are several cases going on of complex nature in the court, High Court, Supreme Court. As a result, I would also like to draw his attention in the last 5 years. When he talks about the finances of the state, this department has raised in the last 5 years more than 710 crores of rupees for the state exchequer. Amount of money spent on the court cases is less than 1.5% of the revenue that is earned by this department for the state. Many times there are complex issues. We have lawyers like Tushar Mehta of the Solicitor General of India who advises us and who advises us on the panel of lawyers that we have to take to defend the matters of the state of complex nature. So I would like to also draw his attention that when their party was in power also several lawyers used to be taken. Here I talk with justification of the amount of money that is raised for the state. State government, town and country planning department is one of the only department that has raised the highest number of money and revenue for the state of nearly 700 odd crores, of which 1.25% has been spent on court cases. This is the answer that I would like to give him. When he talks of the state finances and state finance, we have also raised finances. And it is not only about the people, it is about a particular institution that shut down mining in the state, and these people are taking and flaunting and flogging that horse continuously for their political gains.
Because sir, मंत्री answer दूसरा दिला. Answer I asked very specifically. Is the AG incompetent? AG को जाइन आले. AG को appoint now. AG is defending several cases.
आमचो Solicitor General of India, Government of India चो Solicitor General of India and जेन्ना प्रोसिजर ताका खबर आसूंक जाय की आमी AG चे थ्रूच आमी सिलेक्ट करता आमी ओन आमी वचूंक शकना तेजे परमिशन घेवन लॉ डिपार्टमेंट कडे येता तेजे उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री कडे वयता तेजे उपरांत आमी आमचे पॅनल ऑफ लॉयर्स सिलेक्ट करता आणि त्याच बरोबर जेन्ना तो म्हणटा की स्टेटाचे फायनान्सीस ह्याच डिपार्टमेंटान सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंट पेक्षा चड 750 कोटी सुमार रुपया आमी आयज रेज केल्ले आसा गेल्या 5 वर्सांत आणि तेजे भायर 1.25% खर्च जाल्लो आसा तुम्ही जर समज 100 कोटी रुपया जर जाल्ले आणि आम्ही एक 9-10 कोटी रुपया त्यांनी जे विचारलेले 9.292 crores तर हांव समजू शकता पण हांगा 750 कोटी आम्ही रेव्हेन्यू आयज स्टेटाक आम्ही आयज जनरेट केल्ले आसा
Because sir, revenue जो generate केला मान्य मंत्री.
आणि आम्ही तुषार मेहताचे सॉलिसिटर जनरल आहात त्यांची ऍडवाइस घेता जेन्ना सुप्रीम कोर्टाक मॅटर पावता हेच लोक जे कोर्ट हांगा घालता जोपर्यंत ते फायनल इन फायनॅलिटी जायना सुप्रीम कोर्टान तेन्ना आमी तेजे निर्णय हा म्हणून आमी म्हणूंक शकना आमी टेम्पल ऑफ जस्टीस म्हणटा आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टात तेन्ना तो विषय तेन्ना ते पावता तेन्ना आमकां हे विषय घुसपोवन फायनान्सीस स्टेट हेका कळना ते कितें विचारपाक जाय तेका उत्पन्न कितले जाला ते तरी वाचात
Because sir, very specific. ये लोकांक TCP department force कोता. Example, TCP department एक under evaluation झाले. People went, there was court direction. That is when you all revised it. And that you say that 700 crores.
I am very grateful to the honorable
Before so much income was not coming.
Speaker sir,
There
I
was
am
no
very
income
grateful to
coming.
the honorable chief minister. केन्ना तेका दिसता की बाबा जाय ते ह्यो गोष्टी घडटा आणि आयज डेव्हलपमेंट ह्या तरेन जाता त्यांनी ते स्टेटाचे इंट्रस्टान त्यांनी ते रेट्स वाडयले ते रेट्स वाडयले म्हणून आमकां आयज ह्या तरेचे उत्पन्न आमकां गावला जे आयज पर्यंत खंयच्याच टीसीबी डिपार्टमेंटाक ते उत्पन्न गावंक ना आणि हे सगळे
but they were under-evaluated.
राव रे
You were forced to do it.
I have to address you, I should address him.
Because, sir,
Let him-
he was.
I will address
Let
you.
him finish talking.
After long you're sitting on the speaker's chair, deputy speaker, so at least let me address you. You're allowing him to just go on talking. I am saying that they are flogging a horse that is already about to die, that floss has no meaning, that shut down mining in the state of Goa, that's why the state is going under tremendous stress of financial pressure. And these people want no development in the state of Goa. If they don't want development in the state of Goa, they should come with a charter of demand that gives a solution on how the state should progress.
We have already.
And
given
also
a charter
second
of
thing,
demand.
just because he's a leader of opposition, he doesn't have solutions to the problem. He's asking me a question, I'm answering him.
Are you
And I
not
never
answering?
said anything about him.
I'm
I'm
not-
talking to you, Honorable Speaker, is that when a department is raising so much money, and there is an issue of complex nature, then you take the best of legal minds that are there in the country to deal with that issue so that interpretation of the law and making us understand how to move forward is important to have the best lawyers in the country and not listen to him by what he is saying. When he forms a government, that is way God knows where he may
Because,
be
sir,
in
let us
retirement
talk
age,
about today.
that's when the Congress will be. Because his
Because,
leaders
sir,
are also ready to sit
let
in the
me be very
opposition.
honest. Well, सध्या mining बंद केले, कोणी बंद केले?
अरे तुम्हीच बंद केलं
Manoj
mining.
Parrikar is on record saying he shut down mining.
अरे तो कितें म्हणो तुम्ही बंद केलं mining.
मंत्री आल्लो, ओ मंत्री सगळे कॅबिनेट डिसिजन आल्लो. मायनिंग बंद कोण केले? कित्याक उलयता? एक हरजोत एक कोडे, हरजो एक दुसरे कोडे. कितें चल्ला स्पीकर सर? आन्सर ना काय ना.
बिकॉज सर आता अर्धो होच क्वेश्चन
फुडें वाजोया. Start.
तो पण आता तोच ना, हो पयली येतलो आमगे जाल म्हणटा साठ.
हे आता स्पीकर सर you want
Status of how
exact
much
no one
fees you
sec
have collected?
let's talk in English because I can't understand the speed of which you speak.
हांव इंग्लिश उलयत मरे.
अय म्हाका कळना तू मदी कोंकणी उलयता
Sir,
मदी इंग्लिश कळटा म्हणजे
हांव English उलयता,
आमी
कोंकणी
सादे
talk
लोक
in English.
आमकां कळपाक जायना ते
Sir, कितें उलयता?
आमकां सारखें सांग की बाबा तुका जे
आजी बाय फस्टीची-
why are three people standing?
कोंकणी सारखी ना होती.
Honorable members,
आता we are
Ask
wasting
one
20
person to ask a
minutes we have
question.
wasted.
please ask your question.
I
My
can't
question
understand
is,
कोंकणी
why
उलयल्यार
haven't we
मराठी
given
उलयल्यार
the
इंग्लिश
information
आता
of the
साश्टी ग्राउंड मराठी उलोवपाक
disposed and
लागला
dismissed cases? Because sir,
Can you repeat it, please?
we need specific information and status of the disposed and dismissed cases. We haven't got this information.
we will give him that information.
Why you have not given? I have asked and
अरे I said I'll give
Give
you
him
information there's nothing to hide.
The question.
आमचे सगळे केसीस चालू आहा कोर्टान डिस्पोजन जावपाचे कित्याक तुम्ही
आमचं
घालिता आणि त्याच लोकांक
आम्ही
केस येता आणि त्याच तुमचेर ऑब्जेक्शन काडटा
बरें,
Objection
स्पीकर सर,
काढला.
एक मिनिट